So today we're going to make some really easy fried fish. I'm just going to serve it on a plate, as you can see, with some ketchup and mayo, nice for dipping. Got some beautiful spices in there. Should we grab a bit and have a look? Look at that. That is perfect. Nice and crispy and spicy on the outside, beautifully soft in the middle. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we have 3 tablespoons of flour. That's a plain white wheat flour. You could use corn flour or cornstarch or something like that if you want. And then we've got about a teaspoon each turmeric, chili, coriander, allspice or pimento. I've actually got maybe 2 there. And then salt and pepper. We're going to pop all of that in there, season it up. Turmeric, lovely colour. Chili, bit of spice. Coriander, allspice or pimento. Like I say, I think I've got double the amount there. You can play around with that. Salt and pepper. Beautiful. If you want, you can maybe get some ginger powder in there, garlic powder in there, paprika. You can kind of take it in any direction that you want. We've got ourselves a really simple, beautiful, seasoned flour ready for our fish. Okay, so let's take a look at our fish now. I've got some dory fish, like a white fillet of fish. This was frozen. It was, you know, they were quite big fellas. Frozen, I just defrosted it. And then I just patted it dry with some paper towel, and I've cut it into kind of these size pieces. Now you can use any type of fish that you want. I'm just going to go with this one. So very simply, we're going to just dip that into our flour, and then we're going to fry that off. So there's about 3 cups there in total of fish. So I've got a pan here, got a couple of centimeters, 2 centimeters or inch or so of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can use any oil you want. We're going to get that really quite nice and hot, And then look, just take a look. I've got some kitchen paper here on a plate. So the fish is going to go in there once hot. We're going to fry it just for about 4 to 5 minutes max. It will cook really quickly. Then it goes onto the paper. Let's check this out. Look at that, beautiful. So look, I'm going to have to batch cook this because I've only got a small little pan here. Don't crowd the pan too much. And like I say, you're only going to take 4 or 5 minutes. Now what you can do is flip them over every now and then. You don't have to do it too much. And also, if you want, you can shallow fry it or deep fry it. I've kind of gone in the middle there. And look at that, job done, absolutely beautiful. That's going to be nice and light and juicy in the middle. I'm just going to get these out, and then we're going to go again with the other batch. But yeah, they look fantastic. So simple, beautiful golden brown, and got those lovely spices on them. Really, really tasty little bites these are. In we go. Okay, there you go. Look, I've just served that with some mayo and ketchup. If you want, you can get a kind of nice dipping sauce with like some vinegar, chili, things like that in it. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. Should we have a little go? Just grab a little piece there. You can see it's beautifully white. Let me give it Oh man, that's really good. That's delicious. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Really simple, really nice. I shouldn't be speaking with my mouth full, but I am. See you later.